I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo and so much space. And when you out there without care, and I was out of touch, but it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Probably. And I hope that you are having the time of your life. But think twice. That's my only advice. Stop, come on now. Who do you think you are? Ha ha ha, bless your soul. You're not in control. Well, I think you're crazy. Well, I think you're crazy. Well, I think you're crazy. Just like me. And I know she'll be the death of me. Your lips will go numb. And I always get the best of me. The worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever.